Hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Adhrit. In today's video, I will be teaching you about the input statement. So let's get started. So first, let's open our IDLE. Let's wait for it to open. Okay, now let's close this. Let's maximize it. Okay, now let me make a new file as usual. And now let me tell you what the input statement is. So the input statement gives out some text, and then the input statement can take in some data from the user. So let me demonstrate. When you use an input statement, you will always need to have a variable. So let's make a variable called as tree, and now let's use the input statement. So input and the brackets, and let's make a quote. So if you don't know what strings are, I would highly recommend you to watch the previous video. Okay, and now if you don't know what a variable is, I would also recommend watching that video. It will be linked in the description box below. Now if you want the program to ask us what is your name, question mark. Okay, now if we run this, let's save this as input. Now let's save it. Now it's going to ask what is your name, and now we can give our input. Example, Bill. Now what it does is, let me open. Yeah. Now what it does is, when it asks the question, and when we give the input gets stored in the variable called as tree. So we will learn how to make a simple project from what all we've learned in the next video. Bye.